Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. I hope that you all had a great Christmas. Today we will be making some hot chocolate. In this time of the year, it's pretty cold and this hot chocolate is soothing and relaxing to drink and is just what you need in these wintry months. So without further ado, let's get cooking. To make this hot chocolate, we will need 1.5 cups of milk, 58 grams of chopped milk chocolate or milk chocolate chips, 40 grams of chopped dark chocolate or dark chocolate chips. You can mix and match the chocolate, but too much dark chocolate will make it bitter. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. In a small pot on medium heat, you will pour in the milk and warm it for 1 to 2 minutes. While the milk is warming, we will sift together the cocoa powder and the salt. We are sifting this so that there are no lumps in the hot chocolate. After we sift together the cocoa powder and salt, we will take a bowl and add in the milk chocolate chips and the dark chocolate chips. We will melt these in the microwave in 15-second intervals until it becomes smooth. This is how the chocolate should look once it is melted. Make sure that there are no lumps of chocolate. Once the milk is warmed, we will add in the cocoa powder mixture and the sugar. And then we'll mix this well. You can also give this a whisk so that it becomes smooth and there are no lumps. Then you can add in the melted chocolate. And then we'll give this a good mix and lower the heat just a little bit. You can keep this on low heat for 1 minute and then you can take it out. Once the hot chocolate is done, you can pour it into a cup and then you can top it with some whipped cream or marshmallows or anything that you would like. I'm topping it with some chocolate shavings. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all my new videos. Have a great new year and see you in the next video.